Need to turn a Claude conversation into a clean Markdown file? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest Claude to Markdown workflow. The first method is to ask Claude AI to create the Markdown file. Simply go to the conversation you want to export to Markdown and enter a command like this. Convert this entire conversation into a markdown.md file. Now, we just need to give Claude a few minutes to generate the Markdown file. How long it takes depends on the length of the conversation. Once the file appears, click Download. Then, click the drop-down arrow in the top right corner and select Download as MD. You can also preview the document first to make sure everything is there. And as you can see, my conversation on Claude has been successfully created and saved to my computer in Markdown format. The biggest advantage is that your Claude conversation is now portable. You can import the Markdown file directly into Obsidian, store it in another Notes app. The second method is to use a browser extension. If you frequently export Claude's chats or want to export them faster, you can search the Chrome Web Store for chat export extensions that support Claude and Markdown. In this case, I would use Backrun's AI chat exporter. If you're a new user, you'll see an Add to Chrome button here. Just click on it to install. Then go back to the conversation and reload the page. At this point, you'll see the extension buttons appear in the top right corner of the Claude conversation. Just click Export to Markdown to export the entire conversation from Claude as a Markdown file. As you can see, the Markdown file is generated almost instantly, and the formatting is very accurate. It gives you a result similar to the first method, but it's much faster. If you only want to export a few specific Claude messages, simply click this checkbox. Select the exact messages you want to include, and then click Export to Markdown. This option can be useful when you need more control over the export or want to repeat the same process across multiple conversations. And that's how to convert Claude to Markdown in just a few minutes. Which method do you prefer? Claude's built-in download or a browser extension? Let me know in the comments.